Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Convos. Are you ready to learn English in a fun and easy way? You've come to the right place.
Hey, what are you talking about? What's English Convos all about?
I'm glad you asked. On this channel, we explore everything you need to know to speak English confidently. We'll have conversations, tell stories, learn new words, learn idioms, learn grammar, and practice pronunciation.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Can beginners join too? Or is it just for people who already know some English?
Great question. Whether you're just starting to learn English or you've been practicing for a while, English Convos is here to help you on your journey. We're all about making learning fun and easy.
So, what kind of fun activities can we expect?
We'll do lots of exciting things like playing word games, exploring new vocabulary, practicing our speaking skills, and even telling stories together. It's all designed to help you learn English in an engaging and enjoyable way.
That sounds awesome. I can't wait to get started.
Me too. So, everyone, hit that subscribe button and join us for a new adventure in English learning. We can't wait to chat with you and help you improve your English skills.
Thanks for watching. See you soon.